are back here mga kaibigan sa UNC Sports Palace as we continue the battle between GUANG College and Ateneo Golden Knights. Third quarter na tayo mga kaibigan. Ateneo now carrying the ball.
And bago tayo partner tumungo sa ating hardcourt, let's give an analysis muna kung ano yung nangyari dito sa ating first half. 47-31 nung nagtapos ang ating first half. GUANG College with the lead here. Solid shooting from the 2-point field goal. 16 for 37. Ang GUANG 43% ang kanilang shooting with 4 of 9 on the 3-point line, 44%. Pero dito talaga lumamang on the defensive side ang GUANG College with a total of 28 rebounds, 14 of which were offensive, and the second chance points. They've got 17 with that, and Ateneo struggling here with 14 turnovers. They need to bounce back and minimize their turnovers if they want to take the lead here in the second half.
Considering that this is also a very crucial quarter. Kasi di ba kapag third quarter burns, you really need to secure na points advantage against the opponent.
And GUANG now on the offense. Cabilla at 3. No good. Full guard with that rebound. Into the hands of his teammate, Gabriel. Gabriel passes to Magno. Magno humingi ng screen, passing to the corner. Agravante to Beltran. Beltran to Gabriel. Gabriel, pick pass to Beltran. No good. GUANG ngayon nasa opensa. Inside pass to Amias. That's good. Beautiful court vision there by Poheda with that pass. Agravante goes inside, layup, that's good. Heavily guarded there by Lozada, but still gets that two-pointer for the side of Ateneo. Jamias to Lozada, to the corner, Cabilla. No good sa kanyang 3. Poheda gets that ball blocked by Magno. And to give us an update on the side of the Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz. Kaz?
Kim and Joshua, nabanggit nga ni Coach Nuki during the timeout na may size advantage ang GUANG College, kaya naman kailangan nilang mas higpitan at ayusan ang kanilang depensa kasabay na rito ang pag-backs out. Inisa-isa naman ni Coach Nuki ang mga problema at pagkukulang na nakikita niya after the first half. May strategy rin siyang nabanggit na hindi applicable sa laro nila ngayon sapagkat iba ang team na kanilang kalaban, kaya naman kailangan nilang mag-adjust. Ayon nga kay Coach, kaya naman nilang humabol ng dahan-dahan. Kailangan lang nilang trabahuhin at mas lalo pang maging agresibo sa loob ng hardcourt. Yan muna, Leras. Back to you, Joshua and Kian.
Thank you so much, Kaz, for that update para sa bench ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And as Kaz mentioned, partner, Ateneo thinks na talagang mayroong size and height advantage ang GUANG. And I think that's indeed true kasi kung titingnan natin ang profile ng GUANG, mostly ng kanilang players ay mga 6-footer. Grabe. And with that, kahit na may size advantage ang GUANG, sabi pa rin ang coaches ng Ateneo, kailangan nilang maghigpit sa depensa. They really gotta adjust here dahil lamang pa rin po ang GUANG.
Beautiful reverse layup there by Agravante. And to give us an update naman, partner, on the side of GUANG College, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle.
Game, GUANG College is still dominating after the second quarter. The coaches commended the team's effort for showing a good half-court defense and attacks. Jersey number 55, Ibam Stephen Chibusor ay tatawagan nga ng unsportsmanlike foul, and Coach
And the coach's advice to the boys is to make their play better so they will have a sure win for this matchup. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng GUANG College. Balik sa inyo, Burns.
Janelle, for that update, as we have heard Burns, Guangming, even though with that score advantage, they cannot let their guard down. As kasi kung mapapansin natin, Ateneo is now recovering sa ating third quarter. But as mentioned by Coach Moraya, he commended the team dahil sa napagandang good half court defense there. But now, as we are still on the third stretch, they still need to elevate their performance.
And tama ka nga partner, no? Hindi pwedeng maging complacent dito ang playstyle ng Guangming kasi sila nga may hawak ng momentum dito, but if they relax here, Ateneo might sneak up on them and
decreasing your intensity, decreasing your energy will only work to the advantage of Ateneo. Ateneo now hustling and communicating on the court with Gabriel carrying that ball.
It's gonna be a turnover on the side of Gabriel. Guangming ngayon ang nasa opensa. Poheda to his teammate on the corner. Passes to Hamias. Open for that layup. That's good. 20-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Guangming College.
Diaz working for Guangming na recently rin hailed as best player of the game. Ateneo now with the ball.
Three-pointer there is good para kay Gabriel. 17 points ang hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng Guangming. Hamias to the corner. Inside pass. There's a foul called here by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Fulgar. And Almiñe will go in the hard court for a substitution. Inside pass to Dumalagan. No good. Ball possession here by Guangming. Ihebem gets that inbound pass. Passes to Dumalagan. Dumalagan to Hamias. Intercepted by Magno. That's a steal. That's going to be a foul called on Guangming. Substitution para sa Ateneo.
Babalik muli si Asibor.
Asibor with the ball. Goes inside here. Trying to get some distance. Passes to Almiñe. Three-pointer, no good. Interception there by Asibor into the hands of Agrabante. Asibor inside to Almiñe. That's a steal. Hanyo with the ball para sa Guangming into Hamias. Layup, that's good. Bounce pass to Poheda for that layup. That's good.
Swiftly and smoothly. Ateneo now inbounds the ball. Asibor.
Asibor passes to Aguilar. Aguilar fakes.
To Valle.
Valle. No good. Poheda to Hanyo. Hanyo layup no good. Laktao with that layup is good.
Great teamwork there by Guangming College. Pero ngayon, Ateneo sa opensa.
That's a steal by Aguilar. Aguilar to Valle. Valle dito penetrates. Whistle. blown by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Hanyo.
Substitution here para sa side ng ating Guangming. Papasok si Pccl.
Aguilar, mid-range, no good. Pccl with the ball, open for that three-pointer, no good. Valia,
Valia
fast
now.
break.
Passes to Aguilar. Aguilar to Asibor. Back to Valle. Almost loses that ball, but Asibor was there for a great three. Asibor gets that on, and now dumalagan para sa opensa ng Guangming, communicating with his teammates now.
10 seconds remaining here on the quarter. Dumalagan.
But that's a great pass there. No good. And a whistle blown by the referee.
And a whistle blown here by the referee. I think there's a foul. Double foul on Lactautau and Alminye. Ball possession here by Guangming as Hanyo will inbound the ball. Last heave there by Guangming, and that's going to be the end of our third quarter. Still a 20-point lead by Guangming College here, mga kaibigan, against Ateneo. Don't go anywhere. Pccl South Luzon will be right back.
Back here mga kaibigan at the UNC Sports Palace is the fourth quarter of the battle between Guangming College and Ateneo Golden Knights. Ateneo now on the offense, almost loses that ball, but defensive rebound by Guangming. Guangming now. That's good for Guangming. Starting here sa ating fourth quarter, but Valle now for Ateneo. Valle. That's a block.
Inbound pass there to Asibor is successful para sa Ateneo. Asibor at 3, no good. Fast break dito ngayon ng Guangming. 3-pointer by Dumalagan is good.
Dumalagan making great contributions for Guangming. Valle now on the offense for Ateneo. Tries to make a decision here.
Beautiful crossover by Valle. That's good for that reverse layup.
Pccl now with the ball. Passes to his teammate. Hanyo to the corner. Back to Hanyo.
It's gonna be a whistle blown by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Kaasalan. Ball possession here by Ateneo. Bongala with that ball. Stops and pops on the mid-range. No good.
Pccl.
Traveling violation there called on Kaasalan. Valle with the ball para sa Ateneo. Stops, fires the 3. That's good. Valle a 3-pointer.
Great 3-point shot by Valle. Dumalagan now for Guangming. Communicates with his teammate.
Dumalaga na mid-range. No good. Offensive rebound. Hanyo. And a chance at the free throw line here para kay Hanyo.
And then now, para magbigay ng updates at mga kaganapan ngayon sa bench ng Guangming College, let's call on our courtside reporter, Janelle. Janelle, ano ang update dyan? Babalikan po natin si Janelle, mga kaibigan. 7 minutes and 53 seconds left sa ating fourth and final quarter. Hanyo now. And balikan po natin, mga kaibigan. Ready na ang ating courtside reporter ni si Janelle. Janelle, ano ang update dyan sa ating Guangming College?
Check. Burns and Kim, lamang pa nga ang Guangming College ngayong fourth quarter. Coach Moria pointed out that they need to be clear on what they are doing and make a good communication inside the court. The boys started the fourth quarter with a game plan with 2 zones so they can have more opportunities to make a score. Will Guangming College win this matchup? Yan ang sabay-sabay nating abangan dito lamang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
As we have heard, Burns, Guangming College really needs to maintain their intensity here sa ating fourth and final quarter to maintain that lead against Ateneo. Guangming now on the offense. Passes to the corner. Masyadong malakas. Offensive rebound, that's good. Valle now on the offense for Ateneo. Nagmamadali. Valle, no good. Guangming now with the ball.
Poheda into the hands of Kaasalan. No good sa kanyang attempt. And a timeout is called here by the Golden Knights, mga kaibigan. Huwag kayo bibitiw, magbabalik po ang PCCL.
Deficit. Gabriel now carrying that ball for Ateneo. Tries to go inside, passes. That's no good for Ateneo. Guangming now on the offense. Great connection there sa ating Guangming College Burns. But now to give us an update sa side naman ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And ano ba ang naging adjustments ng ating coaches now that they are behind the scoreboard. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz. Kaz, take it away.
For the fourth and final quarter, nabanggit ni Coach Nuki na nahihirapan ang mga players na i-execute ng maayos ang gameplay na inuutos niya, kaya naman mas minabuti niya pasimple na lamang ang basketball play na ipapagawa sa kanila. Nahihirapan man ang Golden Knights, ngunit hindi naman sila nawawala ng pag-asa na magpatuloy pa sa laban. Yan muna, Aleres. Back to you, Kim and Joshua.
Job, Kaz, for that update. As mentioned nga, Burns, by our courtside reporter, nahihirapan dito ang ating Golden Knights as they try to catch up with the scoreboard against Guangming. Pero as mentioned also by Kaz, hindi nawawala ng pag-asa ang ating Golden Knights na makahabol dito as they try to finish this game now that we are on this very crucial fourth and final quarter. Guangming now on the offense, no good.
Magno here with the ball. Passes to Beltran. It's going to be a foul called on Kaasalan. Magno passes to Fulgar. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Fulgar loses that ball, but it's still on the hands of Ateneo. Fulgar inside pass to the wrong man. Ihebem with the ball. Layup swatted away by Beltran, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee.
Ihebem thanking Ateneo for that wrong pass but failed to convert to points. Pero ngayon, pasok naman. Ang kanyang shot, a substitution now sa ating Guangming College. No good for the second attempt of Ihebem. Ateneo now.
No good sa attempt there by Gabriel. Pujeda, lob pass to Ihebem. Ihebem no good. But a putback there by Hamias is still no good.
Beltran with the ball. Tries to make a decision here as he tries to go inside. Passes to Gabriel. Gabriel now.
Layup by Beltran, no good. Fast break dito,
Sayang
Hamias. Soaring, layup no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Ihebem, no good. Putback, Hamias. That's good.
After so many attempts. Ateneo now. It's Magno. Magno. Passes his teammate, but it's no good. Guangming with a defensive rebound.
Ihebem with the ball. Passes to Soriano. Soriano hihingi ng screen. Penetrates. Kicks it outside. Hanyo, mid-range. No good. Gabriel to Agravante. Agravante. Kicks it to Magno. Magno. Balik kay Agravante. Three-pointer. No good.
2 minutes and 20 seconds left on the fourth quarter. Guangming still on the lead. Hamias passes to his teammate to the corner. That's a great pass there.
2 points again para kay Hamias. And a timeout is called here by Ateneo with 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining here in our fourth and final quarter.
Back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan with 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining on our fourth and final quarter. It's 79 against 51 run. Guangming College takes the lead against Ateneo as Ateneo tries to recover. Ateneo now on the offense.
Last 2 minutes dito, partner.
Magno. That's good. Magno gets the ball on for Ateneo. Guangming now on the offense. Buena Obra to the corner.
That's a steal.
Guangming with the possession.
Dumalaga na 3. No good. Calleja with that rebound into the hands of Magno. Bongala. Reverse layup, no good.
Sayang nun. Back to Guangming. Guangming now. Tries to go inside. Passes to the corner. Soriano almost loses that ball. But there's a traveling violation. 49 seconds left mga kaibigan sa ating fourth quarter. Magno.
No good there on a 3-point attempt by Calleja. 26 seconds remaining in this ball game. Dumalagan to Kaasalan. To Benaobra to the corner at 3. No good.
Masyadong malakas.
Foul called here. It's going to be a foul called on Kaasalan. Shot clock is off. 13 seconds remaining in this ball game. And I think it's already Guangming who will take the
Yes,
victory
partner.
here.
Great performances showed by both team Spurns as we end this match this afternoon here at the UNC Sports Palace. Guangming College wins against the Ateneo Golden Knights,
And
getting that 2-0 record here in the Pccl South Luzon Championship.
And maya-maya lang mga kaibigan, ipapakilala natin ang ating best player of the game. So don't go anywhere. PCCL will be right back.
Ngayon nga ay nagwagi ang Guangming College at ngayon makakasama natin ang Best Player of the Game brought to us by NCF Gas and Sports Track. Once again from Guangming College with a score of 22 points and 11 rebounds, we have jersey number 14, Joshua Hamillas. So Joshua, good afternoon. Kumusta? How's the feeling na of all the players of Guangming College, ikaw ang nag-stand out as the best player of the game?
Para sa akin po na hindi po ako nakatingin doon na tsaka po na nag-rely po lang ako sa play lang po namin tsaka sa effort po. Nag-effort lang po ako tsaka sa depensa po. Lalo ko pa pong ginanaan sa depensa po.
Okay, you guys showed an impressive performance. What do you think is the motivation of the team to ace this matchup?
Looking forward po ako na makarating sa finals dahil po malayo pa po yung binahay namin para lang makapag-compete po dito. Galing pa po kami Cavite. Kaya hindi pa ako papayag na matalo lang po kami.
Okay, so now the mic is yours para batiin lahat ng nanonood all the way from Cavite, lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa larong ito.
Binabati ko nga po pala si Coach Chamboy sa Panta dahil siya po yung dahilan ko ba't nandito po ako ngayon sa kinakatayuan ko sa Liga na Punto. Tapos sa Sports Science Camp. Tapos sa founder po ng school po namin na si Master Shing Yun po. Na kahit na patay na po siya, inaano pa rin po namin siya ngayon. Tsaka sa ano rin po, sa pamilya ko po, sa girlfriend ko, sa mga tropa ko, tsaka sa Lotto 16 po.
Thank you so much, and there you have it mga kaibigan. GUANG College has secured their slot for the finals tomorrow. Congratulations to Joshua Hamillas for being the best player of the game. Ayan mga kaibigan, once again, this is Maria Janelle Germano, and thank you for staying with us until the end of the game. Only here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Kim.
Thank you so much, Janelle, for that post-game interview, and congratulations sa ating GUANG College and to Joshua Hamillas for the second time our best player of the game, putting up 22 points and 11 rebounds. We know that it was a collective effort.
Yes,
Morris.
partner.
They really worked as a team, but it was him who showed an exemplary performance in this game. Great match. Great performances is shown to us by two great teams, of course, with Ateneo having their second defeat in this season. But still, kudos to them for putting up a great fight here in Pccl 2023.
Partner. And syempre, Hamillas getting that second best player of the game. Sa kanya, double-double performance, 22 points and 11 rebounds. Talagang pinaghandaan ng GUANG College itong PCCL South Luzon, and they will now proceed to the championship game bukas.
And we are all excited on how those battles will unfold bukas sa ating pagpapatuloy dito sa PCCL South Luzon Championship. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok, pero don't go anywhere dahil susunod na po ang ating second game dito for this action-packed Saturday. It's NAGA College Foundation Tigers going up against the Faith Colleges. Kaya naman, once again, ako po si Kimberly D. Alanes.
And ako naman si David Joshua Bernales. Tutok lang kayo dito, only here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.